In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to BloFin. So this is actually quite simple, and the first part should be done inside your BloFin account. So just open up your BloFin app, and inside the app, you want to click on Wallet at the very bottom right, so over here. And then inside Wallet, you want to click on Deposit because that's where we're going to be sending our crypto. From there, you will have to search for the crypto you would like to deposit into your wallet. So there will be a search bar, just search it up, and then click on the crypto you would like to send. So for example, let's say it's going to be Ethereum, just click on Ethereum and you're ready to go. Then it will ask you via which network you would like to send. So you'll have to pick a network here. You can of course take into consideration different deposits. So it has different minimum deposits, different fees, etc. You can Google or check online which network is recommended for a specific cryptocurrency or token. Now, after you select this, you'll be able to see your address. So it will say which network you're using, and then you'll see your address. What you have to do over here is just copy this address, and of course you want to click on this copy button. And once you've copied that, you want to go over here inside Coinbase to send the crypto. And the way you do this is to go to My Assets, or on your mobile device, you simply want to click on Send. And then over here, you see an option which says send crypto. So you just want to click on send crypto and then paste in the wallet address just like this. And as you can see, it will then give you an option to click on this wallet because it recognized this is a crypto wallet. And what you have to do is just click on that wallet. And if you have any crypto of that sort, so in our case we said it was Ethereum, if you have any Ethereum in your wallet, you'll be able to select how much you would like to send and then press confirm and basically send your crypto from Coinbase to BloFin. Now, I don't have any Ethereum in this wallet as you can see, but if I were to have some Ethereum, it would just give me an option to select how much I would like to send, and then you can press send and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.